Okay. You can use a thicker thread or thinner thread. I have decided to use this thick wool. I will also make it double strand. I will also make a double strand so it will be thicker. Now we will first start here. I will pass the thread 3 times here. One time times. Also 3 times. Now we put this together. I will just follow. And you take approximately 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 centimeters apart, and just follow the line where you have drawn your pattern. Pull gently, not too tight, because we want to have a nice little line. If you wish, you can use an embroidery hoop here. I won't do it, but I will be double checking a lot because I want to have them not too tight, but very gently. I am putting here the stitch on the top of my mark. Just take your time and adjust. Pull gently from one side and then add to another. I'm just eyeballing my stitches. And I'm putting my stitch next to this one. I hope that you can see. And when I will be turning around, I will also put 2 to 3 stitches like this, and then I will adjust it like this, and then I will put my stitches in between except at the end, and then another line and another line, and I will be back to show you my progress. And here we are, just a few more stitches to finish. I really like how my texture looks like, so I will just continue. As I said before, I have just inserted, and then I put the next stitch next to. In between. Here I have like brick kind of pattern. They are going zigzag. Here. It's a little bit more fiddly because I don't have a hoop. This is already, perhaps it would be easier on a hoop, but I have just decided to do it free form. Like here I have a line, so here I will finish my thread, and I wanted to show you how I will do it. I have decided to put 3 or 4 stitches here. To really secure my wool. I'm also putting my hand on the bottom so I won't sew together my bag. This is 3, yeah. And 4. I think that this will be enough to hold my, and on the back it looks like this. I will just go here and make a knot. And for extra security I just go really gently 1, 2, 3, and then I go also back 1, 2, 3, and now I will cut my yarn away. And here I will just leave a 2 millimeters long tail, and here I will just cut my wool away. So here it is. We are done with our stitch.